व्हाट इफ आई टोल्ड यू कि ये जगह की हिस्ट्री सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं बल्कि मार्बल में लिखी हो? जयपुर, जिसको सब पिंक सिटी बोलते हैं, but deep inside this riot of colors and chaos lies a palace so serene it feels like royalty never left. आज चलते हैं सिटी पैलेस के अंदर, but not just to explore, but to feel what it's like to belong to the royal world. City Palace is where Mughal and Rajput architecture come together like poetry. Welcome to Mubarak Mahal. Mubarak Mahal literally means palace of welcome, and that's exactly how it feels. Inside the palace, you'll find the world's largest silver urn made from 14,000 silver coins, which was used to carry holy Ganga water all the way to England. It's even in the Genius book.
ताजमहल विजिट किया होगा आप लोगों ने। चारों ओर से एक ही प्रकार का बना हुआ है। इंडिया की सेकंड बिल्डिंग दिस इज मुबारक महल है। तो दिखने में चारों ओर से एक ही प्रकार का बना हुआ है।
जब भी आपको ये रॉयल फ्लैग उड़ता हुआ दिखे, तब समझ जाओ महाराजा घर पे है। You can only access the lower floors, but just standing beneath its shadow feels like a brush with royalty. This courtyard might just be the most Instagrammed part of the palace. Pritam Niwas Chowk, the court of beloved.
So this is one of my favorite books by an Indian author named Chitra Banerjee, and I have been very excited to come to Jaipur just because there's a door. There's this door that's on the cover in Jaipur in City Palace, and I can't believe because I am standing right in front of that. So it's like a dream come true.
Here you'll find 4 gates, each representing a season. My favorite is the Peacock Gate.
The City Palace looks so beautiful at night with all the lights, and it's decorated beautifully. So if you're in City Palace, then do come during sunset so that you can see it during the light, and also during when these lights are on. So yeah, photos तो बढ़िया आएगी। तो चलिए फिर दिखाते हैं आपको ये पैलेस रात में कैसे दिखती है।
If this royal walk through City Palace felt like a beautiful pause in your day, hit that like button and share it with someone who dreams of Jaipur. Comment and tell us which corner of the palace stole your heart.